Hello guys. Welcome to Whatvwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group in Gmail. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscription button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Open any browser on your computer and visit the official site of Gmail. Click on the Sign In option available on the top right corner of the window. Then it takes you to the Sign In page. Enter your email address and click on Next. Provide your password and click on Next to log in to your Gmail account. Click on the 9 dots icon available on the top right corner of the window. An options list will open. Scroll to the bottom of that list and click on More from Google. Then it takes you to the Google Apps page, and there, you will find all the apps and services that Google provides to you. Scroll down to find the list of apps and choose the Google Groups from that list. Then you are redirected to the Google Groups page, and there it displays all your groups. Click on the Create Group option available on the left top of the window to create a new group. A pop-up will appear and asks you to choose a name for your group. Enter in the name column and it is taken as group email automatically. You can also change the group email to differ from the group name. Add description if needed. And later, click on Next. In the second step, you need to set privacy preferences to your group. Choose the privacy options based on your preferences. And click on Next. In the last step, it asks you to add members. If you want to add later, just click on Create Group. Then it shows a CAPTCHA. Click on the checkbox to verify the CAPTCHA. And click on Create Group. That's it, group has been created and shows you a pop-up as displaying on screen. How to change group name. Go to Groups page, check description for the link. Mouse over the group to which you want to change the name. A gear icon will appear. Click on it. Then it takes you to Group Settings. In the General section, you will find the Group Name option. Click on it and modify as you want. Later, click on Save Changes option to confirm the changes. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.